So I just woke up and it's 8:41. I'm going to order my box I got from Atkins Rotary to look at the parts that I ordered, which should have been the Apex seals. I think maybe some solid corner seals and another video. I think that's about it. Everything else already had for the other things that need to be replaced, which I also bought from Atkins. Here's the box. About to open the box. Made me sign for it with a signature because I guess too many people who's been stealing these boxes. Probably knowing, I don't know. That's too much for me to believe that knowing people will see Atkins Rotary and know that means expensive parts because the parts are expensive. For example, if this is a box with a rotor in it, just one single rotor for my 13B, it'd probably be $700 some. So. Invoice. Video, which I'm assuming this is a video. Well, that's actually everything. So I have here an invoice from Atkins that shows the stuff I bought. This package alone was $300 some. Just to give you an idea, this is $300 some. This is right here. It's like crack. And here's the Apex seals. Come in a nice little package. So Apex seals. And these are solid corner seals. So in the video I was waiting for because, well, if anything can help me do this for the first time, I'll take it. Okay. Well, that's it for the new package. This is exactly what I expected. A lot of stuff on the ground as a result of the big box, but yeah, $300 some, $318 to be exact. And how much this little bit of hardware costs, which was the remaining stuff that I didn't buy when I bought my first rebuild kit. I bought the lower one. It didn't include these items, and then I had to go buy these items because I'm pretty sure I need to replace the Apex seals. Even if they were okay, I was not going to leave them in there because it makes no sense for me to tear the engine apart, leave them in there, and then, I don't know, another 20 miles, they pop out and destroy the engine. That makes no sense. So if I'm going to do this, I might as well do it right. But here's a list of all the stuff that I do have so far. I have, well, let me get this out the way. You already seen these, the Apex seals and the solid corner seals. the thermal pellet, which I don't know if mine would be better or not. And I don't think mine's to be the solid one anyway. But that's that. These will definitely be replaced. The corner seal plug kit, yeah. Anything with rubber in it will be replaced. Side seals, definitely will be replaced. And of course, the front and rear main seals. If not, the oil everywhere. Really makes no sense to ever do an engine rebuild and not replace those unless the engine was just built yesterday. Of course, I'm going to have the oil ring inserts because these I know are bad on my engine. And I have here the pilot bearing kit, which is good. Corner seal springs, because I'm obviously going to replace everything from the solid corner seals to the rubber ones to everything. Everything on the road is getting replaced. So of course I'm going to replace those too. It came with some Halimar, which I'm going to use, and of course came with some Apex the springs for the Apex kit, for the Apex seals, and then of course the gasket kit, because everything rubber is gone. I can pretty much guarantee that. So, well, that's it for right now. I think I'm gonna go downstairs and get organized, lay my tools out. The car's already up on the jack stands. Already took the cooler system out, took the hood off. What's left now is to drain the oil and remove the top half of the engine, which includes the air intake system. Not the inner air intake system from the front of the car, but the actual intake manifold. And thought about it. Then I'm going to take the fuel rail off, disconnect the fuel, and do some other minor stuff, wires, before I really start getting the business. There's only one tool really I don't have that I didn't get yet, and that is the engine hoist. I haven't bought that yet.